Okay, let's talk about one of the scientific term, peer-reviewed journal. Okay, you might have listened from your supervisor, from somewhere. You need to cite a peer-reviewed journal during writing manuscript. Okay, what it mean to you? Okay, what do you think about the peer-reviewed? Okay, it's nothing only about those journals which are revised or which are examined or which are checked by other experts, okay, before it published, before it come to you. हामीसँग आउनुभन्दा पहिला, हामीले पढ्नुभन्दा पहिला यो जुन जर्नललाई एक्सपर्ट रिभ्युअर टिमले, होइन, कुनै अदर पार्ट्सको सेम फिल्डमा काम गर्ने तर अदर पार्ट इन्टरनेसनल नेसनल रिभ्युअर्सहरूले यसलाई रिभाइज गरिसकेको पेपर हो, त्यसलाई इक्जामिन गरेको, त्यसलाई कमेन्ट गरेको पेपर हो, होइन, एउटा प्रोसेसबाट फिल्टर आउट भएर एउटा इभ्यालुएसनबाट पास आउट भएर आएको एउटा पेपर हो त्यो पर रिभ्युड जर्नल। अब सोचौँ सबै जर्नल्सहरू पर रिभ्युड हुन्छ त? हुँदैन, होइन। देयर आर मेनली टू टाइप्स अफ जर्नल। Scholarly journals might not be per reviewed journal, but there are some scholarly journals, but they something like editorials, news, letters, opinion. These are also scientific communication ways, way of scientific communication, but they are not per reviewed. But per reviewed journals are scientifically passed, scientifically evaluated, scientifically examined by other experts working in the same field. And there is a process of peer reviewed process. There are peer reviewed process based on the journal guidelines, or for different journals, after you submit a manuscript, they have process, formal guideline. For example, usually if you submit your paper, the editor will get paper, then he will see initial preliminary ideas or informations from your paper, like what it is about, and this journal is worth working or not before it publish. And then he will pass this journal to expert reviewers for some time, maybe pair of reviewers or one reviewer. Then it will get comment and back to the editor. Then editor will decide it can be proceed further or not. Then you will get some comment or rejection from the editor. That is the process. That is the long process. It can take a month to year sometime. Okay, this is a per reviewed. But कहिलेकाहीँ हामी ग्यारेन्टी गर्न सक्दैनौँ. इट्स डज नट ग्यारेन्टी द पर रिभ्युड जर्नल्स आर 100% पर्फेक्ट, but they are trustworthy because they are evaluated before it published, होइन. त्यो जर्नलको मेथोडोलोजी, त्यो जर्नलको टपिक, रिसर्च क्वेसन, रिजल्ट्स, दे आर इक्जामिन्ड, दे आर इभ्यालुएटेड बिफोर इट पब्लिस. ओके, किनकि त्यो इम्प्रुभड स्टेटमा हुन्छ अथवा यो ट्रस्टवर्दी हुन्छ. त्यसैले अलवेज एज अ रिसर्चर we need to have a habit of following or citing the trustworthy journals that are peer reviewed journals. Okay, yeah, that's it for today.